First, install the Camweara app on a Shopline development store. At this stage, the app attempts to escape the embedded iframe and redirect the merchant to display the authentication consent screen for required permissions. If the redirection is blocked by browser or iframe restrictions, a fallback user interface is shown, allowing the merchant to manually continue the process. After the merchant grants the required permissions, the app attempts to redirect them to the Camweara dashboard. If this redirection is blocked again due to browser or iframe restrictions, a fallback interface is displayed. From this interface, the merchant can manually open the Camweara dashboard in a new tab. No email or password is required, as authentication is automatically handled by the Camweara backend. Once the app is installed, merchants can open it anytime from the Shopline admin dashboard, just like any other app. When the app is opened, it again attempts automatic redirection. If this is blocked by browser or iframe restrictions, the fallback interface is shown to allow the merchant to continue manually. From the Camweara dashboard, upload product images that correspond to the products in the merchant's Shopline store. Select the appropriate product category and upload the images. Each image file must be named exactly to match the product SKU. For example, a product with the SKU 123 feet should be uploaded as SKU 123.jpg. Finally, save the product to complete the setup. As you can see here, the product image file name matches the SKU used in the merchant's store. Next, go to the Shopline admin dashboard, navigate to Online Store, and open Design. From there, open the product page layout and add the Camweara Virtual Try-On block. You can customize the button's appearance and settings as needed, and then save the changes. You can adjust the position as wherever you want. After saving, open a product page that has a valid SKU. The Virtual Try-On button will appear on supported products. Clicking the button launches the Camweara Try-On experience for customers.